My name's David Soares. We're here at CNC Custom Parts Manufacturing. We're a general machine shop. We also do prototyping, reverse engineering, and design.
My name's AJ Tucker. Started CNC Custom Parts with David because of his ability to be able to build relationships with new people. David has a lot of experience in this industry and what our equipment is capable of. And so he's able to sell on those things like that to get us more parts in the door.
We've got a Mazak QT Easy 8 MSY, so we got milling, Y-axis, and second spindle. We've got a bar feeder. On the left here is our 5-axis mill. It's a Vari-Axis i600, also from Mazak. It's got a 2-pallet changer.
We've only been using Fusion for about a few weeks now, and it's been really great for us.
Yeah, we haven't had it long, but so far I've really liked it.
The current software we were using, the CAD side of things isn't as good as we'd hope it to be. Well, as soon as we started using Fusion 360, we're able to design and create models a lot easier and faster.
I've used it to design our first product that we're going to start selling, and we've also had quite a few projects where it would have been helpful if we had a better design software.
We've done some reverse engineering where somebody will walk in with a physical part and they say, we need some of these made. So we got to reverse engineer it first. So we take inspection tooling to it, figure out what the dimensions are, and make a 3D solid model out of it in Fusion. Here we're about 90-95% Kennametal tooling in this facility.
We really like the salesman that we work with, Tyler. He's great to us. He answers questions quickly, gets us what we need.
With the Kennametal add-in, we're able to download the 3D model and check for collisions during the machining operations, and you can order the tooling straight from there.
We've seen significant savings on several different parts, time savings, as well as longer tool life and better surface finishes, just by inviting the Kennametal rep in and getting his help on a project. Working with DSI has been really great. They've helped us a lot.
Yeah, DSI helped us get the integration going, and they helped us with a little bit of training and getting us up to speed to be able to do everything that we need to do with it.
Often they were able to add just a little bit more than what I asked for. A lot of the features that I was trying to design, there were resources online, but there were certain things that were hard to find. So being able to reach out to DSI and get help from them just made it that much easier and gave me confidence. Even if I run into a problem, I'm going to be able to get an answer and just create a better process from start to finish.